Yerp! What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make my blueberry smoothie for my weight loss journey. Okay, so first, of course, we have blueberries. Blueberries may influence genes which regulate fat burning and storage, helping reduce abdominal fat and lower cholesterol. Next, we have bananas, which contains fiber and resistant starch, which also supports weight loss. They're also a nutritious, low-energy density food, which is good for dropping pounds. And then I'm going to use a little bit of apple, just for flavor. And of course, spinach. People might think that spinach is nasty and it doesn't go good in smoothies, but I'm using 1 cup of spinach just to get all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in it. 1 cup of almond milk contains only 39 calories, which is half the amount of calories found in 1 cup of skim milk. And then we have the Greek yogurt. Although Greek yogurt has no special weight loss powers, it has a higher source of protein than regular yogurt. Okay, so yeah, today's video is going to be a little short. It's not much razzle-dazzle you can do with a smoothie making video, but usually I put the heavier stuff and the liquids towards the bottom, so that way when it blends, everything can just fall down onto the blade and it can blend smoothly. So yeah, you just cut up all your fruits. Once you're done, bottoms up. Oh, and by the way, this is my niece Diana. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more weight loss ingredients and recipes, just don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on all my social media. All links are down below in the description. And have a wonderful day. Yerp.